Learn to write a book review for children.
The Evelyn as answer.
Follow this guide and write your own professional book review. First, tell us what the story was about. Give a brief outline of the plot, but never reveal the ending. Mention the book's genre. Was it children's, mystery, art, history, fantasy, adventure, or science fiction? What did you think about the title? Was it too long? Did it sound exciting? Was it weird, cool, super scary, fun, mysterious, boring, or funny? Who was the main character and what did they do?
The main character, Boo, was a self-centred imp who turned into stone after staring at his own reflection too many times. Wow! He's doing it again!
Who were the other important characters?
There was a mysterious spaceman who saved the Earth after a weird space alien crashed into a field next to his house.
A weird space alien has been found. We have to destroy it in order to save the Earth. Were the characters believable?
Did that really happen?
Who was your favourite and why?
My favourite was the scatterbrained queen because her hair held healing powers.
Wow!
Could you relate to any of the characters in the story?
The main character was so cool because he supports the same football team as me.
Have you ever done or felt some of the things the characters did?
His sadness made me cry because I felt the same when my dog died.
Did you like the book? Was it professionally written?
I liked the use of humour and wit. It actually made me laugh out loud.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it has arrived.
Did you have a favourite part of the book?
I enjoyed the part when the Roman soldier put a magic substance on the end of his arrow and shrunk the giant when he shot him. Oh no, what have you done to me?
Do you have a least favourite part of the book?
The woods were my least favourite part of the story because they scared me.
Would you change anything in the story?
I would have given the main character a superpower.
Would you recommend this book to another person?
I would recommend you read this book if you love science fiction, as this one is action-packed. Yes, I think I would like to read that.
What type of person would like this book?
This book is ideal for someone aged 14 years and up if you like fantasy with a fast-paced plot with lots of action.
Amazing!
You can download a free writing a review worksheet from my website by clicking on the link in the description box below. Click on the Teachers and Parents link. Scroll down and click on Learn how to write a book review. Here you can answer all of the suggested prompts, which will help build your review. There's no need to print, as it can be filled in on your computer. You can also download a free copy of my story, The Little Big Clockmaker, by clicking on the link in the worksheet. Just read and practice writing a review about it. And that's how to write a book review.